10 means time to wave goodbye. Let's count again, let's have some fun. One little monkey jumps so high. 2 big birds fly in the sky. 3 funny cats go meow meow meow. 4 bouncing balls go pow pow pow. 5 tiny fish swim in a row. 6 silly ducks say quack quack go. 7 bright stars shine in the night. 8 fast rockets zoom out of sight. 9 fluffy clouds floating so free. 10 happy kids counting with me. 1, 2, 3, tap your knees. 4, 5, 6, do a silly twist. 7, 8, 9, spin around. 10 means time to jump back down. Now we know our 1, 2, 3. Count again and dance with me.